Hey, Mama. Here's the babies. There's our little baby in there. See it? Mommy took a bath. And she's going to be the daddy. Cha-cha.
It'd be hard
Mommy.
to take Mommy away from Chachi, though.
There they are. You can go feed the baby. You gonna feed the baby, Cha-Cha? Or you gonna feed Mama?
No.
What you gonna do? Here's our baby. Here's our baby. Keep seeing me. Am I doing something?
Hey.
Oh, there's our baby moving. Daddy's gonna feed it. You can feed Daddy? You gonna feed her? Feed him or whatever she is? Do it, Daddy. Go feed her. Go feed it. Go feed the baby. Oh. I'm recording then. Look at. Oh, Mommy. That's so sweet.
No, I said I saw the words with you from the mom feeding them. Daddy, go feed the baby. Go feed the baby.
And how much time I have on this? You gonna feed the baby? He's right behind you. Don't forget the baby.
Look at Mommy's skin dry.
You're not gonna feed the baby. Do we have another baby in there that might need to be had?